Hello and welcome to my studio. Today I am going to be making some little paint swatches using natural acrylic medium. That's from the Earth Paint Company, and a lot of natural pigments. Some of these pigments I've actually ground myself, and others I have bought from Bluff Gems on Etsy. So the first thing I'm doing is using some double-sided tape with some cartridge paper, and I've cut these into little swatch sizes, and I'm just putting them on top of recycled tins. Here I am going through my stash of natural earth pigments. So these have all been ground up by rocks. These are ones that I've purchased through the wonderful Bluff Gems. And I'm just writing down the name of the pigment so that if I run out then I can buy it again. And this stuff is like gold to me. It's so precious because I do make my own. I know how much effort goes into it, so I like to be really careful to get every last little skerrick, every last little mineral gem out of the packet first. So I like to give it little taps, make sure it's all out, and then I can, look at it, isn't that just beautiful? Then I can go about making a little swatch. So to make swatches, I just dip my brush into the natural acrylic medium. It's completely non-toxic and plant-based, washes out well in water, and then I just add a little bit of the pigment, and mixing those together will create the paint. Oh, hello kitty. My cat's having a little meow meow in the background. Come over here, darling. Oh yes. So this is basically my process. Each time I get a new colour out and put it in the container, mix it and label it, I'm building my connection with that particular paint medium. So it means whenever I use it, it feels really, I don't know, there's a different feeling about working with handmade paints. You feel such a deep connection to the mediums, and I feel like the paintings that come out really feel alive. Labeling it again, and I'll just be going through the same process with the acrylic medium. So I'll just speed up this process so that you can watch it unfold. So as I said, this stuff is like precious gold to me, and I don't like to let any of it go astray. So I'm actually doing this on top of one of my sketchbooks so that I can use the excess as a background in a future artwork. So that's my process for organising my lovely handmade paints. Here are some of the ones I've gathered previously. And here are some finished artworks I've created using these beautiful, beautiful, earthly, eco-friendly pigments.